It's me, Mikey Pipes. You know what? I give up. I really do. Friday was a great day. Ended a great week. First week of the new year. Today's Monday, the 8th of January, 2024. I really give up. I do. I give up. There is really something wrong with this new generation of society. Seriously. There's something wrong with this new generation, whether it's, we call them the millennials, the ones in their youth. I don't know. I'm just blown away. Is it because the Generation Xers, right, just raised their kids like a bunch of incompetent pansies? Maybe that's what it is. Maybe this generation, my generation, they call them the X generation, Generation X, right? I think we, as a whole, raised a bunch of just woke, beyond liberal-minded pansies. Seriously. Well, and I don't know. Yesterday, Sunday, I had a very busy work schedule. I didn't have any service calls whatsoever. I didn't actually generate any actually, I did actually, no. I had no service calls. I had 2 virtual consultations. I had 3 interviews. 1 interview was on the phone, and 2 were in person. The second gentleman who came into my office yesterday, resume, very impressive. Very impressive. Matter of fact, as soon as I saw the resume Saturday night through Indeed, I reached out to him instantly, right away. The first gentleman who stepped into my office yesterday morning, I have concerns that he possibly has addictions, substance abuse addictions, because the way he was scratching, the way he was behaving, sitting in a chair, he was definitely on some kind of narcotic, because he was literally, it looked like he had, I was going to say ants in his pants, but it looked like he had crabs in his pants. Like, he kept bouncing up and down in the chair, scratching his body, like maybe he was on meth or some kind of drug that, I don't know. And I kid you not, I am not bullshitting you. It's exactly how he was. I'm trying to think if the camera system I have, no, it won't show his position in the chair. It won't. There's a camera directly over his head, which points towards the front door. It doesn't show the person sitting at the desk. It points at the front door. So, anyway. Second gentleman, younger. He's in his early 20s. Very impressive resume. Very impressive. And the fact that he showed up on a Sunday, I find that a lot of times showing up to the interview is kind of like half the battle. It is. So this gentleman comes to the interview on time, a little early, impressive, and, we have a conversation. Pretty impressive. And then I asked, well, how much would you like to earn? And honestly, I almost fell off the chair. I really did. And I go, okay. I was like, so you want X amount? Like, how much do you bill out a month? You know, you say you're a service technician now. How much you bill out a month? And he gives me a number that is normally double of what a good technician will bring in a month. I'm like, okay, deal. You're hired. Thank you so much. Appreciate the opportunity. I was like, all right. You know, we go through the onboarding process. And, you know, I get his waist and inseam measurements, get his, you know, his picture, his photo ID, driver's license, you know, the whole vetting thing. And I was like, okay, listen, come in tomorrow morning. He goes, awesome, I'll be there. What time? I was like, listen, 7:30 is perfect, no later than 7:30. He was okay. I bullshit you not. At 7:05, my phone rings. I'm at my desk in the office. And I bullshit you not. He goes, I hear him like it sounds like he just like kind of like woke up, right? And you could tell he wasn't in a vehicle like a car or something. And he goes, Mike, you know, it'll be all right if I maybe take a week to think about your offer. I said, huh? It's like you already accepted the job and you said you're going to be here in no later than 25 minutes from now. He goes, yeah, there's just like some more time to think about it. And I was like, no, that's unacceptable. You gave your word, you committed to something, and now you need more time. I was like, you know what? Thanks for wasting my time. And he goes, you're welcome. And I hung up. This cocky motherfucker, cocky ass motherfucker. I bet you he was full of shit. I bet you he was full of shit. By the way, the number per month was 80,000. Yep. $80,000 he bills per month on average, he claimed. You know what? I think I am going to call one of his references on his resume and just to fucking find out. Let's see. Would you believe this? You know what? I need to start doing more due diligence. I called both references. There's one more left on the list. The first one, I left the message. The plumbing manager is going to call me back. The second one, he said he worked there from August of 2019 to July of 2021. They did not give a favorable recommendation. They said, I'm not going to give you any recommendation. Basically, he worked for us for a couple months. He was great at first, but then he became unreliable and then just disappeared. I'm like, wow. I think I just dodged a bullet. I kid you not. So I called the first reference where actually he claims to still work, and the company doesn't exist. The phone number is disconnected for the company. So, yeah. You know what? I actually don't give up. I am just getting started. Oh, man. We are going to have lots of fun here. I am not giving up. Matter of fact, I am going to go above and beyond with my due diligence now. You know what? I guess I was too trustworthy. I was. You know what? We're going to call this kid Suffolk County because he came from Suffolk County. And no offense to Daniel and Peter or anyone else in Suffolk County, but Suffolk, bro, you just ruined it for everyone else. Because now I'm really going to do due diligence. I am. Including drug testing and piss testing. Yep, sure am. You know what? There is a God. There is a God because, thank God, I dodged this fucking bullet. Now I feel good about myself. I was actually frustrated earlier. But now that I called these references, and I genuinely called them, I'm not bullshitting any of you, I'm not fucking around, I'm dead ass serious. I called all three references, and one business no longer exists. One said he lied. He was only with us for a couple months. And he disappeared. And the other one, I have a call into it. Let's see if they call me back. I'll keep you updated on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Monday. God damn, I love me Mondays. Fuck yeah! Smash that.